there, viewers, and welcome back to the Southman Auto Channel. Got us a 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. The shifter lever is broke and the customer wants a new one. Yee-haw, here we go. I got us a picture. It shows me where the screws are. Right there. There's the picture in case you need it. We'll do our best that we can. I'm over here on this side. So you got one over here. It shows two of them on this side, but I don't know if that picture's really right or not. Let's see. Let's see what you guys think. So it shows two of them over here on the passenger side. I only see one, but I assume there's one between. I don't know, it feels pretty loose. Let's wiggle on the whole dash. I don't know, let's go up front. Oh, let me see. Yeah, the old format. Give me something to kneel on. Must be the other one. Is it something else? Must be behind that cylinder. Look at that. Fancy. So that's how that comes off. It's got a couple clips on it. Little Velcro at the bottom. Gives us lots of room, and then got a screw right there on the side. I assume it's the same on the other side. Looks like there's a little panel under the in between the cup holders. Would have thought there'd been something there. Give me something kneeling over here. What we got on this side? This side's a little bit different. This has a little push nail. I don't know if you guys can see way back in there. Maybe it'll be a little screwdriver. Oh, yeah, it's metal. That's metal. Scrivet, I guess these are technically called a screw rivet. Scrivet. There's that. There's that. And then she slips on out. So it slips in up there. A couple little dongers back here. Two of them. No Velcro. And then it looks like a screw way down here. Alright, we gotta be getting closer, fella. Looks like the airbag module's under there. Now what? Get our diagram. That little guy comes off pretty easy. I don't know if we gotta take that off or not, but we will. Unplug that, we'll set that to the side. And it shows a couple of screws through the top going in that direction. Fire. Oh my gosh, I won $1 million. No, not really. Give the dog a bone, will you? Let's see. I'm not seeing, unless it's behind this panel. Let's see, that's how wiggly she is. Oh yeah, I bet she is. You gotta take that whole stinking mess off? Boy, I wouldn't think so. Maybe? Maybe? Let me just see if I can have a peek behind there. Gosh, we might need to get a little more detailed instructions other than just the, unless this thing comes off. Yeah, I bet that does. Oh yeah, fella, you're getting somewheres now. Set down my light. Oh, look at that. I'm a pretty far smeller, ain't I? Well, looky. Stop. Where'd my screwdriver go? What'd you do with it? There it is. Which ones do we gotta go for? These lower ones right here. Look at that. Well, good thing we didn't just rip and tear it, huh? Sometimes I find it's easier just to print out the picture than get the actual directions. Okay, move our light. see. I got the parking brake up pretty high. Oh boy. I think we're going to have to go higher with it. Just a minute here. Oh! I hope it releases. I think I tipped the seat back. Hold on. Alright, seat's tipped back. Yep, that's the trick. I'm giving it the classic reach around for these buttons. There's a plug underneath. I just unplugged it. Oh, there's two plugs underneath. There's one for the old cigar lighter too. For those of you that smoke cigars, there's that. Stick that in the back, and these are the two plugs. They just got your standard little push button on them. One there, and then this one here on the gray one. Giving it the classic reach around. Now we have to 10 millimeters there. Looks like we've got a little push nail here. Unplug that. Unplug that. Oh, you can't see. You're out of frame. So this is where I was at down here. Little connector. Probably for the shift interlock right there. And then there was a little Christmas tree donger here in the side. And then we got our shift cable. Bada bing, bada boom. I think the old shifter's been christened by a few too many cigarette butts, coffees, lattes, whatnot. And then the button broke, so it's kind of rubber band up in there right now. What do we got here, folks? That looks like it just, the shift cable just pushes on. Pretty standard. So that's off. What kind of action do we got here? Is it kind of squeeze tab? Look at that. Well, that was easy. Let's go get a 10 mil. Should have got her a Hearst or something. Kind of sick upgrade, but so that's it. That's where the buttons broke. She broke right at the bottom of the hinge, and even cut his finger. The guy showed me his finger bleeding all over. Oh shoot! Some kind of nasty stuff just came out of it all over the seat. Whatever that stuff is. I don't think it's blood, but it's something nasty. I might not wear rubber gloves when I'm doing a wheel bearing, but I'll tell you what, when it comes to interior stuff, I always put on my rubber. Okay, let's get the new one here. Fresh off the boat from Korea. That's Chevrolet right there. Apple Pie Baseball in America and Korea. We'll plug it in right in the rear. Put the little push nail back where she belongs. Yeah, I don't know what that was inside that shifter. Maybe like some Kool-Aid or something. Something with some funk. I think this has little alignment dongers. It does. Right there's one. Like that will make sure all our bolts get started by hand. There's that one. Last thing I want to do is zip this thing down and break it. It's like $160 from the dealer. I think. Right around there. Whoa. Beautiful. Put it back in park. That's where we started. Come on down. Looks like the price is right. Come on down. Oh, there goes my light. Click that little guy in. Click that little guy in. Get our light back up here. Get our keys. sure it works. Complete with sound effects. That seems to work just fine. I guess that's it. Oh, it's even got little push buttons for the gearbox. Oh, let's see. Now we gotta put. Excuse me, that was very rude. I just ate lunch though. Mrs. O, we had big steak and shrimp dinner from a birthday the other day, so we had leftovers for lunch. Stuffed mushrooms. I don't know what kind of steak it was. A really freaking good one. I know that much. So we had steak salad and mushrooms, and there was no leftover shrimp to be had though. I ate them all. She even bought the jumbo ones, which were really delish. Screw this back together. There's that. She's sitting down all the way in the back. Ooh, put that back down. What do I do with the keys? Oh, here they are. Oops. They're lined up here. There's that one. Whoa. Oh, this has an emergency brake vacuum. Well, that's pretty handy. In case your car stalls on you. I did not know that. Alright. That's my telephone out there ringing. The telly. Oh, you son of a monkey. I lost the connector. Now we gotta pull that out one more time. Oh. Stink pot. Oh. Where are you? You can't be far. Who's gonna go nuts? There it is. I feel her down here swinging. There's those two. Oh, can't take it. Where are you? Plug them other two in. Where are you, little fella? There she is. All right. I just have to go see who called me. Okay. Now. And don't forget to plug in your child lock thing and all that stuff while you're down there. That's pretty much the only reason I'd buy a Chevrolet, so I can have a sweet key like that. There. Now we can plug this thing back in. Here, look at that, it even lights up. Fancy. There's that. Put it back in park. Let's see, did they even win? Let's see. I don't think so. I don't think those are winners. What's this one? Scratch player, reveal coins. Coins at over $1. We got 25.50, 60, 70, 76 cents. Nope. Wonder how much they lost though. That's the real ticket. How much did they lose? 10 bucks. Lost 10 bucks on that one. Let's see, if your number beats their number in the same game, win a prize shown. Your number, theirs. Ooh, this one right here. If your number beats their number, 19 beats 18, there's $1. And that's it. This one is a $1 winner. I think it tells you when you scratch them off all the way, doesn't it? Let's see. Doesn't it say somewhere down here? I don't know. Well, whatever. That's a $1 winner right there. And the ticket costs $1, so it's a wash. They'll get their buck back on that. Let's see. How come the child thing's not lighting up? Can you get me on? Oh, there we go. Alright, that button works. Track off works. Plugged in the cigar lighter. Almost done. There's that. Oh, you ding dong. Why did you take that off? You know why you took it off? Because you had to put the screw in. And I just put it together without the screw. And I think I got a few screws. I turned 1 year older, losing my mind. I think that's what you blame it on when you get older. I remember when I was 38, I never forgot stuff. Now that I'm 39, I can't remember nothing. There. I think it's going to be a couple more years before I can use the phrase, when I was your age. I use it with my kids now, but you know, I've got like 30 years on them, so I think that's totally the wrong hole, fella. I just freaking did it again like a total ding dong. Man, what was wrong with your head? Jeez. Live on camera too. Must have been a rough night last night. Oops. Alright, let's try this again. Third time's a charm. Get our scrivet goes in that hole. There. Let's see. Oh, you freaking dingy. Where are you? Come on, talk to me, baby. There you are. Pardon my reach, folks. I'm about ready to put the middle finger up at you. There we go. There, Dunsky. Well, that's it, folks. That is replacing the shifter lever assembly, control assembly they call it, in your Chevrolet Sonic. Pretty easy job. Center console come out nice and easy. These things are pretty chintzy. The little push lever there, it broke at its pivot, and I don't know if it's due to the excessive amounts of goo perhaps that was in it, what eventually broke it, or perhaps, you know, trying to trigger it without stepping on the brake. I really don't know. Is what it is. It's all done now. Go down in the comment box, leave your questions, comments, criticisms down below. And while you're down there, click subscribe, ring the bell. You know what to do. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.